Hey guys, Chris Emory with Fogg Filler again. Just wanted to kind of bring you up to speed on a project that we're getting ready to complete, and also one that we're going to have at the show for show and tell. And the reason that we're showing this a little premature is we want to get this out in front of you so you can ask questions during Pack Expo at in September. One of the things, a part of this project specifically, was not only does Fogg Filler have the capability of putting brand new equipment in place, but we're also very in tune and capable of taking reconditioned equipment that maybe has been out in the field for many years, bring that in, add that to new scopes. And one thing particular about this one was this rinser was actually in the field since 1999. Fogg picked it back up, we brought it back in, and what that means to you guys is we would take this as it is, strip the machine down, put all new mechanical, all new electrical back on it, as it would need to be per spec. We put the shine on it, as Fogg is known for. We put the change parts in per bottle, whatever that spec would call for. And again, this rinser could be air, or it could be water, or it could be chemistry. That would be totally up to the customer. So I just wanted to give you a visual at the quality and the craftsmanship of the actual equipment, and just to let you know that we do close couple rinsers with brand new fillers. It is a reconditioned concept, so please ask questions when you visit us at the show. So again, guys, you've got the reconditioned rinser side of the project. So what we would do after the point of either air, chemical, or water rinsing the containers, you would come through, and again, we are very close coupled into the monoblock filling and capping block. So we want to keep it housed. We don't want anything to go back into the bottle that we're trying to eliminate. So you see, it's a nice timed effort as well. We would be one-to-one, bringing the bottles from the rinser into the filler. So a great little short segment just to give you the perspective of how close coupled that we are. From there, we're going to bring everything in to the main part of the system. This configuration off of the gate is a 30-10. So we would have 30 filling valves, and again, the filling valves would be whatever the spec would call for, and then we would have 10 capping heads going out, and that would be for a Fogg pick and place capper as well. So again, the full monoblock system or tri-block system, however you want to portray it, with the rinsing, filling, and the capping portion of the machine. One very effective and important part of this machine as well is our CIP trough. And what its intent is, between flavor changes, if you don't have to stop the machine, or for CIP, if you don't want to remove the physical valves in the machine, this comes into play. It's accessible between changeovers or through flavor changing from the HMI. It's on a secondary set of cams that's separate from the physical filling portion of the machine. And this would engage into the filling valve area, and as you can see, just this area with that amount of valves, we're actually purging content through the valves. We're capturing it in this one area. The benefit of this is you're keeping the maintenance and the operator's hands out of the machine, and you're also controlling the environment with no contamination if that is part of the spec. So what we would do is would pass chemistry, water, or whatever the cleaning solution would be through the filling valves. Again, not being removed is the key factor here. You're containing this into the trough area. You have a funnel at the very bottom. We're taking that content back either to reclaim chemistry or to wherever is designated by the customer, wherever that fluid needs to go. After we finish the CIP or from the flavor changing side of things, we would re-clean this trough again with a nozzle. This is an extremely beneficial area of the machine that Fogg brings to the table. And this machine will also be at the show, so we highly encourage to have questions. Come see us. Let's go through it in person so you can see it as well. And we're available to answer any additional questions before then. So again, thank you again, guys. We look forward to seeing you at Pack Expo. Again, this is a great machine that will be on the floor with our tri-block type of configuration. Rinsing, filling, and capping. It's what we do best, and we look forward to seeing you soon.